Yeah, it's been a while again. Just busy lobster fishing. So anyways, that's the finished out chainsaw mill deck. So that's what I was milling lumber for. Maybe we probably going to build a deck for the front of the house too. Whenever I get done fishing, I'll start milling more lumber. So I want to clear some land anyway. Now, got the day off, and anyways, I'm bringing home the rake and baler. I have to set them over there. Probably should have had it done 2 months ago, but you know, stuff going on. So anyway, we got a bit of snow last night, and today's the day to get this stuff home. This field is fucking wet. Oh, just saturated. Alright, one piece of equipment down, one more to go. Alright, it's hooked up, PTO shaft tied up. Got a block in place, get her narrowed up for road traveling. So anyway, just hope I can get up there without too much trouble. Because it is really wet here. Like, man. I hope she don't spin out on me. Right, baler's home, the rake's home. Just have to get a tarp now, or a couple of tarps to cover this stuff up. But anyway, put some lobster fishing stuff up on this video too. So who knows when I'll be doing another one. But anyways, that's it.